Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to do a little recap of the rhymes what we did last time, and I'm going to do a new rhyme for you as well. Are you ready? Last time we did the letter I rhyme, which is Incy Wincy Spider. Do you remember? Or sing with me now, okay? Come on, start. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain, and the incy wincy spider climbed up the spout again. Was it nice? Do you want to listen to this in Hindi also? I know something nice. Let's sing with me. इंसी विंसी मकड़ा ऊपर चढ़ गया, नीचे आई बारिश मकड़ा भीग गया, ऊपर आया सूरज और पानी सूख गया, और फिर इंसी विंसी मकड़ा फिर से चढ़ गया. Was it nice? Fun, no? Now let's do a new rhyme with letter J today. J, J. Yeah, J, J, Joker. Let's do a new rhyme today with me. Okay? I will sing one line, you repeat after me. Jaggy the Joker. Yes? Jaggy the Joker is a jolly old fellow. Is a jolly old fellow. Like jam and jelly. Like jam and jelly and anything yellow. Jumping and jiving in a suit of yellow. Yes, jumping and jiving in a suit of yellow. Jaggy the Joker is a jolly old fellow. One more time. Yeah. Jaggy the Joker is a jolly old fellow. Like jam and jelly and anything yellow. Jumping and jiving in a suit of yellow. Jaggy the Joker is a jolly old fellow. Did you enjoy that? Now learn it at home also. Next time when I come, you have to tell me this rhyme. Okay? Good. Hello everyone again. It's Pratima here. Now today we are going to do a little recap of what we have done in the whole week. We've done some studies, we've done some writing, we've done some learning. So I'm going to do a little recap of whatever has been done. We've done letter A, and letter B. Yes, in English writing. What have we done? Let's do the recap. Letter A, Mama A. How do we write Mama A, children? Up the mountain, down the mountain, a bridge in the middle. Yes, this is Mama A. A sounds A. Everybody repeat after me. A sounds A. How do we write letter A? The baby A. Make a small curve, go up, come down, and a small tail. This is Mama A, this is baby A. Say that one more time. Up the mountain, down the mountain, a bridge in the middle. This is Mama A. Half a curve, go up, come down, and make a small tail. This is baby A. Apple. Yes? Apple. Yes? Now what comes after A, children? What have you written this week? B. B sounds B. B sounds B. Now, how do we write letter B? A tall man with a big head and a big belly. Yes, this is Mama B. How do we write? A tall man with a big head and a big belly. This is Mama B. B sounds B. B, button. B, balloon. Yeah, you all love balloons, right? Yes, so we've learned how to write letter A and Mama B. Yes, and we did some numbers also. Yes, this was English. We did some numbers as well. Let's do a little recap of the numbers what we have done. Do you remember the number rhyme, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Yes? So let's do the numbers as well. What did you do first? Number 1, which is very easy. A straight standing line and over. This is number 1. Then we did number 2. Yeah? Make a curve and sleeping line. Yes? Then we did number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. This is the way we make a 3. Yes? Easy peasy. Just 2 curves. Make a curve, 1 more curve. Then we learned number 4. How do we write 4? Down and across and down some more. This is the way we make a 4. One more time. Down and across and down some more. This is the way we make a 4. So we've learned these numbers in the past, which is number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah. So get ready for the next week to learn the new numbers and the new letters. Okay. And in the circle time. Yes. Do you all love circle time? We learn about good habits today. Yes. What are good habits, children? Yes. To wash your hands properly. Everybody is saying now these days, wash your hands, wash the germs away. So what you have to do is keep washing your hands every 2 hours and wash them with the soap. That is a good habit. Brush your teeth. Keep it clean. Yes, that is again a good habit. Take a bath. Keep your body clean. That is another good habit. Yes. Trim your nails. Yes, these are all cleanliness habits. Yeah, trim your nails. Listen to your elders. That is a good habit. You have to learn how to listen to your parents, your teachers, your grandparents, your brothers, sisters, whoever is elder to you. Again, that's a good habit. Respect your elders. Listen to them. Then share your things. That is again one good habit children should learn these days. Sharing is caring. Yes. Then can you tell me some more good habits what you have? Yeah? Ask your mummy what are you good in? You must be having lots and lots of good habits. Greet your teachers. Yes, say good morning to your elders and teachers. That is a good habit. It is so nice to smile and greet somebody. Yes, that is again a good habit. Then tell me some more good habits, children. Yeah? Write down, think about it and ask your mommy to write down a few good habits you have and tell me in the next class. Okay? And after the good habits, next what? Feelings. Yeah, good habits is G, then you have F. F, feelings. Yes? What are the feelings? Happy. What makes you happy, children? Yeah, happiness is another feeling which every child wants to have. Being happy, yeah, making others happy, bringing a smile on their face. What brings a smile to your face when you get a gift? You're happy? Yes. When somebody gifts you something, you're very happy. Like if I give you a chocolate, you'll be happy. But when are you sad? Sadness is another feeling. When are you sad? When your toy breaks or somebody's hurting you, mommy saying no to ice cream, then you're sad. Yeah? But sometimes you have to listen because they know what is good for you. Being sad is not nice, so don't be mad. I want a happy face. Yes? Then angry. Show me an angry face. How do you do? Angry. When are you angry? When someone is not listening to you, you're angry. But think before you get angry. Angry is not nice. Being angry is not nice. Mummy gets angry at you, Papa gets angry sometimes, but think why when you don't listen to them. Yeah, show me an angry face, but not a very good thing. Show me a happy face, which is nice. And when somebody gives a surprise to you on your birthday, what is the feeling? Surprise! Like how Sushma ma'am did the birthday video and you were all surprised and happy, yes? That is surprise. So these are all feelings what you have. Happiness, sadness, angry, surprise. Yes? When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know, and you really want to show, when you're happy and you know, clap your hands. So be happy and keep everybody happy. Give me a smile. Good.